Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I will place some trade in OTC market. This is OTC market today, and OTC have no volume. That's why I will place my trade based on price action only, and I will place a trade here based on one concept. After closing of this candle, I will place my trade. Okay. So yes, I place my trade here to the downward direction for 1 minute. So I think market must close below my entry point here. I placed my trade because there is a strong reason here. So that's why I place my trade here to the downward direction. So after closing of this trade, I will explain why I placed my trade here.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way, had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily, it's how I pass time, no opinions safely, it's how I understand what I want in this place, see.
Okay, this is my winning trade. So based on one concept, I placed my trade here to the downward direction. Okay, now I am explaining here. So basically, this was an area here from where market reverse again and again, again and again, again and again. First of all, this is round number level. This area was round number level. This is one reason, and another reason was this is an area, and this area was very strong area by the seller side. And if we observe from the first point, this was outside bar pattern, this was outside bar pattern, and this is, I think, bearish engulfing pattern. This is also this was also bearish engulfing pattern. So market reversed again and again, again and again by creating some candlestick pattern here. And at the last time, this was again another bearish engulfing pattern. So after this pattern and after closing of this candle, I immediately placed my trade here to the downward direction, because this area is a very, very strong area by the seller side. So this is a block actually. So this is a block by the seller side, and it's a very strong area, a strong block area by the seller side. That's why when buyers hit this area, sellers already entered in the market. This bearish candlestick was my confirmation that after hit this area, sellers already entered in the market. Okay, so this was my confirmation. Just after that confirmation, I placed my trade here to the downward direction. So after for 1 minute, after 1 minute, market closed below my entry point, and it was my winning trade. So basically, what we have to do for this new concept, first of all, if we observe here, market basically started from here, and it was uptrend first, then it tried to make a range, but finally market started to going up from this strong buyer's entry point area, got rejected and goes up. Market got rejected from near to this level and goes up, breakout happened, goes up, and finally market created a low, higher low, and it was a momentum. Okay, so now basically I always placed my trade to the direction of the trend. That means it was first upward direction. That means uptrend market. It was first uptrend market, and market created this candlestick. After this momentum, market created only one candlestick. So that means buyers was strong at this area. Although buyers was strong at this area, and it created a bearish candlestick here, that means it's a pullback, but I placed my trade here to the downward direction. Why? What's the reason? Although it was an uptrend market, because market already came to this block, this area. This area was a very strong area by the seller side. That's why I immediately placed my trade here to the downward direction, although the previous market was a strong momentum type situation. Although this was momentum, but I placed my trade here to the downward direction because I know when market came to this area, sellers strongly entered in the market, and sellers will strongly enter in the market, and it will turn the market to the downward direction. That's why I immediately placed my trade here to the downward direction for 1 minute, and after 1 minute market closed below my entry point, and this is my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. Okay, this is AUD CAD pair OTC market, and market downtrend market now. Okay, so okay, so I have to wait for this candlestick. After this candle, I will place my trade. Okay, I placed my trade here to the downward direction for 1 minute. I think market must close below my entry point. So I set support level a little far away from this area, and this is a hammer candlestick, and it's a sign of continuation. That's why I think market must close below my entry point after 1 minute. So let's see what will happen.
Only God wants you, better go live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this, I'ma steal it.
Okay, this is my winning trade. So I'm explaining the reason of placing my trade. Okay, if I observe the market condition here, it was a previously downtrend market, and it was a momentum. So it's a momentum type situation here to here. Market created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlestick in a row. Okay, and this candlestick is a hammer candle. So we know that in any momentum situation, hammer candlestick will hammer spring top candlestick, and doji candlestick, inverted hammer, shooting star. All these important candlesticks are act as a continuation sign of continuation if there is no support area. So I already checked, there was no support area, support was little below. That's why I immediately placed my trade here in this candle to the downward direction, because I know that the total pressure previously it was by the sell side, and it was previously a downtrend market. After that situation, when market created a momentum by 5 candlestick, so by a hammer candle, last candlestick hammer candle, I immediately placed my trade here to the downward direction because it's a sign of continuation. So if there is a level, that time the situation totally different, but there was no level here. That's why I immediately placed my trade in this candle here to the downward direction, and this was my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. Okay, this is GBP USD pair OTC market, and a major trend and the minor trend to the same direction now. Okay, so there was a support level here. Okay, if I place my trade, yes, I place my trade here to the downward direction, taking little margin of safety. So I think market must close below my entry point. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Yes, this is my winning trade. So now I'm explaining the reason of placing my trade here. Okay. So previously it was a downtrend market. So major trend was downtrend. And from this area here, it was a minor trend. Minor trend was uptrend. So try to remember one thing, that when major trend and minor trend totally opposite direction, this area is not a good area for placing a successful trend. So when major trend and the minor trend to the same direction, that time we can easily place our trade to the same, to that direction. Pressure, previous pressure was sell side, now the same pressure, now sell side. That's why it was the momentum. There was a support and support breakout happened. So I want to place my trade little above the support level here at the wick to the downward direction, but I placed my trade little above, but not more above here. It was very perfect when, if I placed my trade exactly at this wick above the support level, that means previous support level. So try to place your trade above key level. If we want to place our trade to the downward direction, we must place our trade above resistance level. That means it was previously support, when market is below, level is above, it was resistance. That's why we have to place our trade above the level, resistance level. That time it's a very safe trade. Okay, so always remember one thing, when major trend and the minor trend to the same direction, we have to go to that direction. This is the perfect way to choose the market direction. So now I'm going to another pair for next opportunity. Okay, this is Euro USD pair OTC market. Market was downtrend market previously. Okay, we can draw a level here. Yes, I place my trade here to the downward direction for 1 minute. There was a resistance level here and market got rejected from that level. So I think market closed below my entry point after 1 minute. So let's see what will happen here.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.
Yes, this is also my winning trade. So basically, when we handle in any ranging market, ranging type situation, so we must follow all the levels, because in a ranging market, all the levels work very well. Because when market moving in a range, why market continuously creating by sometimes one candle bullish candle, two candle bearish candle, again bullish candle, again bearish, because there are so many levels at that area. So there is a strong SNR level here. So this was a strong SNR level. So when I saw this situation, so previous candle, this candle got rejected from that strong SNR level and closed below this level. That's why when next candle again little go up, I placed my trade here to the downward direction immediately. Why? Because it was a ranging market, and in a ranging market, we already know that in a ranging market the levels will work very perfectly. That's why I immediately draw this level and place my trade here to the downward direction, and this was my winning trade. So this is all about today's trading. So if anybody want to learn price action, VSS, CWRV, Delta River trading and Forex trading, contact me by Telegram at the rate TRUSTEDBNRY. WhatsApp +88017417788986. So I don't have any Telegram group. I have only Telegram channel, that is TRUSTEDBNRY. Otherwise, I don't have any Telegram group. If anybody claim as a trusted binary Telegram group, they all are scammers, and they are sharing some of my videos, 3-4 years previous videos, that's not working nowadays. That's why if anybody make any loss after following that videos, trusted binary is not responsible for that. So if anybody want to learn all the updated concept that winning ratio 99.99%, so contact me by telegram at the rate trustedbnry and WhatsApp +88017417789886. Thanks for watching my videos.